Zoho Sign tutorial and review. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to review Zoho Sign and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Zoho, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Zoho, it is a cloud-based software company that provides a comprehensive suite of business applications designed to help organizations manage their operations more efficiently, and the platform includes solutions for customer relationship management, accounting, finance, human resources, project management, email, collaboration, marketing, and business analytics. And Zoho is widely used by small and medium-sized businesses as well as large enterprises because of its portability, scalability, and seamless integration across its applications. So now to create an account, you can simply click the sign up button at the top right corner when you see it and simply sign in using your Google account, Facebook, and many more. And from here, you can simply click this access your apps button to find the Zoho Sign. As you can see in here, it already has this Zoho Sign, but if you can find it, you can simply go to the search bar below and simply search on it Sign. And just simply click this one. As a result, you will be directed on this page, in which you will be able to see here the overview, in which it is also a cloud-based electronic signature solution which enables individuals and businesses to securely sign, send, and manage digital documents online. It also eliminates the need for printing, scanning, and physically signing paperwork by providing legally binding electronic signature that comply with major international e-signature standards. So now to start using this, just click Access Zoho Sign button right here. By clicking on it, just fill out the required information including your organizational name and also your phone number. After that, you will be directed on this option or dashboard of Sign, in which it will show you on the left side panel the option including the sign to send for signatures and sign yourself. By clicking Send for signatures, you have an option here to drag files here or upload the files of your signature and even enter the document name. So basically, this send for signature option is used to send document to one or more recipients for electronic signing. It allows user to upload a document, specify the signers and their signing order, assign signature and form fields, and also add a personalized message and deliver the document securely via email. And this feature also enables user to track the signing status in real time, send reminders to recipients, and receive notification once the document has been completed. You can fill out here the required information and choose where you want to deliver it. Now once done, you can click the continue button below to save it. Then you should be able to see here under this documents. By clicking sign yourself in here, this kind of option in Zoho Sign is designed for users who only need to electronically sign a document themselves without sending it to other recipients. It allows user to upload a document, place their signature, initials, date, or other required fields, and complete the signing process instantly. For example, as I already upload here this kind of file, you can simply add here a signature as you can see on the right side panel, add an initial, and many more. So basically, this kind of feature is useful for signing personal documents, internal company forms, contracts, or approvals that do not require additional signatures. And as you can see from here, you can even create a document including to upload a file, a link to it, a context to make it italic, bold, and many more. You can even click save and create once done. Now moving on, you can access all of the documents under all documents in here, including the scheduled, in progress, completed, declined, expired, and many more kind of documents, in which it serves a centralized repository where user can view and manage every document associated with their account. It also provides a complete list of documents regardless of their status, including drafts, pending signatures, completed, declined, expired, or cancelled documents. And user can search, filter, organize, and track documents, view detailed signing activity and audit trails, and even download completed files. Now moving on, we could even navigate here the templates option by clicking on it. You can create a new template by clicking the create template button on the top right corner. And you have also an option to import template if you want to, in which it is used to create and save reusable document templates for forms, contracts, agreements, and other documents that are sent for a signature repeatedly. Moving on, you can even navigate the sign forms, in which this option allows users to create and share digital forms that can be completed and electronically signed by multiple respondents through a public or private link. Instead of sending documents individually, user can collect signatures, form responses, and record information from anyone who accesses the form. And in here on this pop-up window, just fill out the required information to create a signed form. You can even navigate here all of the reports of data, as you can see under the report section, which provides user with a comprehensive overview of document signing activities and performance. It also allows user to generate and view reports on documents, statuses, signature requests, completion rates, turnaround times, and user activity. Now moving on, you can even navigate also the settings option in Zoho, in which it allows user to configure and customize their account preferences, security settings, branding, notifications, integrations, and workflow options. Now under this digital signatures, you can even navigate to configure a variety of options. So you can see all you need to do is to click some of it. However, some of those options are not supported. So you can click the configure button to do so. You also have your AI assistant, such as OpenAI platform, AI assistant, and many more. You also have here Zoho CRM and any other Zoho app, Zoho People, Zoho Desk, and many more. You can even navigate the Google apps to integrate, such as the Workspace, Gmail, and Google Drive. Everything is pretty much accessible, all you need to do is to link your account on it. You also have Microsoft apps, Outlook, 365, and many more. Now under cloud storage, you can even navigate the Zoho Work Drive, Google Drive, and CRM for HubSpot, Fresh Sales, and any other kind of integration application that you can navigate to integrate in here. Now aside from this option, this kind of options and settings enables administrators to enforce security policies and also ensure the compliance with organizational requirements. The primary purpose is to personalize the Zoho Sign environment, enhance the security, and optimize document signing workflow according to the user's or organizational needs. Now given some of this information and also features offered by Zoho, we can say that Zoho Sign is important electronic signature solution because it enables individuals and organizations to sign, send, and manage documents digitally in a secure, efficient, and legally compliant manner. And it also eliminates the need for printing, scanning, or mailing physical documents, reducing paperwork, costs, and processing time. By automating the document signing process, Zoho Sign improves productivity, accelerates business transactions, and enhances collaboration among employees, clients, and business partners. And additionally, its security features such as encryption, audit trails, and authentication methods help protect sensitive information and ensure the authenticity and integrity of signed documents. And now in terms of the pricing plan that offered by Zoho Sign, you can click the pricing option on the top panel and you will automatically be directed on this page. You have here free, standard, professional, enterprise, and custom plan, each with the corresponding features benefits including below here. So you can simply choose depending on your needs. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Zoho Sign. Thank you.